So all we have to do is we have to turn it off. So press and hold the on and off button, and now just power off. And then when it's powered off fully, so just wait until that goes off, what we need to do is we need to press and hold 3 buttons at the same time. So that's the PlayStation button, the power button, and also the right trigger up here. And I'm going to press now. And when the PlayStation logo comes up, I can let go. Okay, so I can let go now, and it will bring up the safe mode. I'm going to go to restore this system. You've just got to use the D-pad and then X. Yes. And now it's restoring. Now this might take varying amount of time depending on how much stuff's on there. And now you can see it's booting itself back up again, and this will be the same as when you first of all got the Vita, or the first owner got the Vita. And that is how you do it.